Airports can feel like chaos. Lost cars in giant parking lots, security lines that move slower than molasses, and delays that test your patience. But here's the thing. There are airport hacks so unusual they sound fake, yet they actually work. And today I'm breaking down 14 of them. Some will save you time, some will save you money, and others might just save your sanity. Stick around because hack number 12 is honestly a little embarrassing, but it's my #1 secret for sleeping on planes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's dive into hack number 1. Hack 1. Snap a photo of your parking spot. Airport parking lots are massive, and after a week away, it's shockingly easy to forget where your car is. The last thing you want after a long flight is to wander around with your luggage playing hide and seek with your vehicle. Take 30 seconds before heading inside to snap a photo of your row number, the nearest pillar, or any sign that marks your spot. That simple photo will save you a headache later. If your airport has a parking app, mark your location there too. Some even drop a GPS pin for you. That way, even if your phone gallery gets messy with vacation photos, you'll still have the exact spot saved. Quick break. If you're enjoying these hacks, stay with me because in just a moment, I'm going to share the weirdest trick I use to sleep on planes. It's so strange, I almost left it out, but it works every single time. Now let's keep going. Hack 2. Fly early and beat the delays. If you can, always book the earliest flight of the day. Early morning flights are statistically less likely to get delayed. Why? Less air traffic, fewer domino effect delays, and planes often stay overnight at the gate, meaning your aircraft is already in position. Book a night at an airport hotel before your early flight. Some airlines even let you drop off your checked bags the night before, so you can stroll through security stress-free in the morning. If you're a nervous flyer, staying overnight also gives you time to walk the terminal, find your gate, and ease those pre-flight nerves. Extra layer to this. Morning flights are often cheaper too. You're saving money, reducing the risk of delay, and easing stress, all by sacrificing a little sleep. Hack 3. Reserve your place in security. Did you know you can sometimes book a spot in the security line? Many airports allow you to pre-reserve a time slot right on their website. I once paid just €9 at Lisbon Airport for Fast Track, and it saved me nearly an hour of waiting. Even better, some airports include this perk free if you fly business or premium economy, so check your ticket class. You may already have Fast Track and not even know it. Hack 4. When in doubt, go left. If pre-booking isn't an option, here's a fun psychological trick. Head to the far left line at security. Studies show that most people naturally drift to the right, meaning that left lanes can be slightly less crowded. And here's another variation. Watch the people in line. Business travelers with laptops usually move faster than families juggling strollers and toys. Sometimes choosing who you line up behind matters more than which line you pick. Hack 5. The secret of hand-checked items. Most people know the 100 milliliter liquid rule for carry-ons, but here's what most don't know. Some items don't actually have to go through the X-ray. Medically necessary liquids like bigger bottles of contact lens solution or items that can be damaged by X-rays, like camera film, can be hand-checked if you ask. Pro tip: pack those items in a clear, separate pouch so you can pull them out easily. That way you won't hold up the line digging through your bag. Hack 6. Play security Tetris with your bag. Here's a packing strategy that makes security so much smoother. Send your items through in the order you'll want them back. Put your backpack or personal item first, so as things come out, you can place them directly back in it. No more juggling your laptop and shoes while digging for your bag. This little adjustment may save you only 30 to 60 seconds, but multiply that across hundreds of flights, and it's a game changer for stress. Hack 7. The sandwich trick for valuables. This one is simple but clever. Always place your laptop or other valuables in the middle tray, sandwiched between your other items. It's harder for someone to accidentally grab it, and it makes your packing flow way smoother when everything comes out of the scanner. Hack 8. Empty your pockets into your bag, not the tray. Here's how to speed up the line and protect your belongings. Instead of putting your phone, wallet, keys, and coins into the gray bins, toss them into your carry-on while you're waiting. It's safer, faster, and you won't be that person reassembling their outfit at the end of the belt while everyone else is waiting. Hack 9. Turn a packing cube into a pillow. Got a long layover or delay and need some rest? Grab a packing cube from your bag and use it as a pillow. It's surprisingly comfortable, especially if it's stuffed with soft clothes. Beats the stiff airport chairs any day. If you travel with a hoodie, roll it into a ball and stuff it inside the cube. It makes an even better makeshift pillow. Hack 10. Bring a muscle roller ball on board. You've probably heard of people bringing tennis balls on planes to roll out sore muscles, but I found tennis balls are too soft. A muscle roller ball works much better. Roll it along your back, neck, or even under your feet mid-flight, and you'll feel refreshed instead of cramped when you land. And don't just think about planes. This hack doubles as a relief tool in your hotel room after walking 20,000 steps sightseeing. Hack 11. Try Valerian Root for sleep. If you have trouble sleeping on planes, try Valerian Root. Whether it's tea bags or capsules, it's an herbal remedy that has been used for centuries for its calming effects. Personally, I pack it on overnight flights. It helps me relax and nod off. Pair Valerian Root with an eye mask and noise-canceling headphones. That triple combo blocks distractions and gives you the best chance at real rest in the air. Hack 12. The weirdest sleep trick. ASMR. Okay, here's the one that might sound embarrassing, but it really works. I use ASMR playlists when I fly. That stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. Basically those tingles and calm feelings some people get from soft sounds like whispering or tapping. I download ASMR playlists on Spotify before a flight, throw on my noise-canceling headphones, and I'm usually asleep within minutes. Pair it with Valerian Root, and it's like building your own personal sleep kit for the sky. Hack 13. Use your boarding pass for hidden perks. Your boarding pass isn't just for boarding. Sometimes showing it at airport shops or lounges can unlock hidden discounts. Certain duty-free shops, cafes, or even airline partners offer perks to travelers who flash their boarding pass. Bonus tip: some travel insurance policies and credit cards also require a copy of your boarding pass to process claims. Always save a digital copy, just in case. Hack 14. Download your airline's app before you fly. This might sound boring, but it's a lifesaver. Airline apps often give you real-time updates before the gate agents even announce them. You'll get notifications about delays, gate changes, and sometimes even the chance to rebook yourself if your flight is canceled. I've avoided long lines at service counters simply by using the app to rebook instantly. Extra perk: some apps also track your bags in real time, so you know exactly when they're loaded and when they arrive at baggage claim. And there you have it. 14 strange but effective airport hacks that actually work. Which one are you going to try first? Or do you already have your own weird airport hack? Drop it in the comments because I'd love to see what tricks you're using out there. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to Airside Tips for more smart travel secrets airlines don't want you to know. The next time you step into an airport, you'll be the traveler who glides past the chaos while everyone else struggles. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe.